Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, modern recipes, African traditional recipes, travel and events. So if I told you I'm not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and make sure you press onto that notification bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see the video. The returning subscribers, thank you so much. Since you have returned, please no going back. Continue watching my videos, continue watching my recipes and enjoy them. So guys, today I'm back with this African recipe, and it's an East African recipe, but it is a Tanzania recipe, street food called Zege. So this Zege is chips mayai. It's a street food in Tanzania, very much loved by Tanzanian. And guys, I also love it so much. So please watch this video until the end. Please try out this recipe as well. And it can be used, it's a good combination for breakfast, which will make you fuller. Instead of taking wedges, you can enjoy chips mayai or Zege. So stay tuned. These are the recipes that I'm going to use. I have my fries here. I've already cut them. And then I have my eggs here. You might wonder why I have so many eggs and why I have so many fries. This is a recipe for 4. So just stay tuned and see how it's going to come out. So I have my fries here already. I'm ready going to fry them. I have my eggs. I have my green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I have tomatoes. So if you cannot use tomatoes, you can use the red bell peppers. We have salt to taste, and I have red onions. So these are the ingredients for making chips mayai. Tanzanian food, street food, very nice and tasty, guys. So stay tuned. So guys, I'll start by frying my fries. So I'll add some vegetable oil. So make sure the oil heats up well, completely well. So stay tuned. So guys, make sure your oil is well heated. So yes, this is called Zege. This recipe is called Zege. Chips mayai. Very nice, very tasty. So stay tuned. So make sure it fries until it gets crunchy. Stay tuned. So guys, until it is crunchy. So you can see very crunchy. So guys, this is a plate, so stay tuned. Let me continue the rest. So guys, these are my 3 plates of fries. So and these. So the next stage, stay tuned and see, guys. Even this, yeah, it's so crunchy. That's nice. So stay tuned. So guys, next step. So I'll beat my 3 eggs first. I will add in some bell peppers, some onions, yellow bell peppers, and this. And you can add some little salt to it. Make sure you mix up everything well. So guys, you can see the mix. So you just have to, I've placed another pan. You just have to add little oil, just to ensure that your fries doesn't stick. So you don't need much. You just put just to lubricate the pan and make sure it cooks well. So stay tuned. You start by spreading your fries. So this is Zege, guys. This recipe is Zege. Then with your mix, make sure you put some. So guys, the heat has to be minimal. Don't put a lot of heat. So stay tuned. So what I will do, guys, I'll just cover it and turn it the other way. After turning it, you let the other side cook well. Wow, 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 guys. So this is Zege chips Mayai. Very, very tasty, guys. A combination for breakfast. You feel full the whole day. So please try this. So still watch the video. So it is done. And this is my Zege. See how amazing it looks. So guys, look at this recipe. This is chips Mayai, Tanzanian street food called Zege, African recipe. So kindly please try out this. So you don't need to let the eggs burn because already remember the chips is already cooked. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to do next. So guys, please try out this recipe. Please stay tuned. The last one now. Make sure you spread the cooking oil well. Then you spread your fries. Make sure it's well distributed. So guys, just look how yummy it looks. Still cooking, but it's looking so yummy. So nice, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the chips mayai, the Tanzanian recipe. See how yummy it looks. I did 3 plates. Ooh. Ooh. another plate here. So guys, when you want to serve it, you can serve it for breakfast or you can have it as a snack, but it will make you full the whole day. So another thing that you can do, you can serve it with add some tomato ketchup, tomato sauce, or some kachumbari. So stay tuned. This with kachumbari, looking so nice, so tasty. Same to this. Same to this. Ooh. Now, if you wish, you can add some tomato sauce to it. And if you don't like tomato sauce, you can have it just the way it is. So guys, this recipe is so nice. So stay tuned. So guys, let me just have a taste of my Zege. Hey. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please try out this recipe. Give my video a like and let's meet on another video. Throw your comment there as well. Bye bye.